Morning, sir. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Jivan Baraili. I am 29 years old. I am from Nepal. I am unmarried. I have 5 members in my family. I have passed +2. I have 2 years experience as a working Worldwide Institute, working in Kathmandu, Nepal. And sushi is a traditional Japanese dish made with vinegar rice combined with raw rice and seafood, vegetable, eggs, and sushi 5 types: maki, uramaki, temaki, sashimi. And I want to come to Romania as a sushi chef to enhance my knowledge on future and support my family. And I am hardworking and honest person. I am medically fit and fine. Thank you.
मजाले चाहिँ के चलाइदिन्छ पानीमा मारेपछि त्यो बाहिर निकालेर सबै फुट्यो ट्यापै जान्छ त्यसैले हामी सबैलाई म राखेको यसरी समाप्ति भयो यसरी समाप्ति भयो नि यहाँ माथि यसरी अलिकति लगाएर यसरी समाप्ति भयो अनि यसलाई चाहिँ अझै तातिने एउटा देखाइदिन्छु त्यो कुरा गर्दा फ्रन्ट गर्दा सिधै यसरी नै गर्छ यो एउटा चाहिँ मात्र खाइहाल्यो एकैचोटि सबै नसक्ने यो फुलिसकेको छ त्यसबाट
मैले भनेको छ
Thank you.